Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is V-qie. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sharing. If you're new here, remember to subscribe, watch, share, and leave a comment down below. On today's video, I'm going to take you step by step on how to make a oats smoothie. So we'll start by half a glass of oats, 1 spoon of chia seeds. Soak them for 15 minutes as you prepare the other things. I have a banana with me. I'll use 1 banana. You can use 1, 2 or more depending with your preference or how sweet you want your smoothie to be. In my case, I didn't want it to be so sweet, so I used 1 banana. I cut the banana into small pieces to make it easy to blend. My 15 minutes were over. I strained the water in the oats. You can choose to maintain the same water, but I chose to remove that water and use clean water. So with the chia seeds, I still used the same water. I added a teaspoon of flax seeds and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Add my cinnamon. Now everything is ready and it's time to blend our smoothie. So looking at some of the benefits of oats, oats are packed with nutrition. They contain manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, copper, iron, folate, vitamin B1 and vitamin B5. Oats also contain rich antioxidants and they're loaded with fiber. Oats can also improve the skin health, and oats can also relieve constipation. And the smoothie was so thick, so I decided to add some more water to make it lighter. And this made it even more, so I was able to have it twice. Some of the benefits of chia seeds are they are a great source of fiber. They aid in weight loss and cut cravings for certain foods. They help balance blood sugar. They're gluten-free. They're rich in omega-3. They're rich in protein, rich in antioxidants, and they give sustainable energy. And our smoothie is now ready. I hope you enjoy and I hope you try out this recipe. I take my smoothie early in the morning before taking anything else, and it gives me so much energy I even forget to eat, hence helping me in my weight loss journey. And yes, I am excited to share this with you. I hope you try out, leave a comment down below and let me know how it goes on your end. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.